Welcome to MyInvestLo. In this video, we'll show you how to contact your account service manager. Open MyInvestLo website, enter your registered email address and password, then proceed. You will be redirected to the MyInvestLo dashboard. Scroll down the dashboard. On the right side, you'll see a Contact Your Account Manager card showing your ASM's name and email address. Note, you can either email or call your ASM directly using the provided details. Alternatively, click on the Contact button within the Support section. On the Support page, click the plus Add Ticket button in the top right corner. A Create Ticket dialog will open. In the dialog, click the Category drop-down and choose the option that best matches your query. The form will confirm that your ASM will be notified. Type a clear subject in the subject field, then write your full message in the message box. If you need to attach a file, take the Attach Document after Save checkbox, then click Send. A pop-up will appear saying the ticket has been successfully added. Click OK and proceed. Now, click on Browse to upload your attachment. A file browser opens, select your file, and click Open. Then click Save on the upload dialog. An attachment preview will appear before it's finalized. Now your ticket appears in the support list with status Open. Your ASM will be notified automatically. You can track their response in the back office Replied column by clicking the Edit button in the Action column. Thank you for watching.